Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about and reviewing the 2023 Toyota Camry XSE. I also want to give a huge shout out to Sparks Toyota for allowing me to review this vehicle. If you want a link to the inventory, all you have to do is check the link down in the description and I will have a link to the inventory. And let's hop right into this car. I also want to mention we are going to take this car for a drive, but we're going to go talk about the insides and outs and then we'll hit the road. So let's get it started. First and foremost, it is push button to start. And as you guys can already tell, this interior on this Camry is very hot. Spec'd out with this interior looking a little shy over 31,000. Powering this Camry XSE is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. You do have an option to get a V6, I think it's a 3.5 V6 engine as well. This engine has shy over 200 horsepower and about 184 feet-pounds of torque, and this is paired up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now with that being said, you should expect around 27 city and about 38 highway. That's right, 38 highway. Curb weight on this car is around 3,400 pounds, just shy over it. And you also have an option to get this Camry in all-wheel drive. Test today, we are using a front-wheel drive. And with that test, I think it's like a couple or a grand or two more for the all-wheel drive. Warranty on this car is a 3-year, 36,000 basic warranty, and then you also get a 5-year, 6D powertrain warranty. All right, guys, let's take a walk outside. Gonna turn the light switch on so that you guys can see the headlights on this Camry. I love the way that Toyota designed this car. You get the black machine wheels, black top, get the black grille, and this thing is just sharp. I love the black mirror caps. I love the way that they did the contrast in paint, black inserts there. And then as you guys can see, we have Toyota's headlamps, Toyota badge in the front, tire and wheel setup on this car, 235/40 rim size 19s in the front. And then in the back, I think we have the same setup. Yep, 235/40 rim size 19. Love the wing on the back. I love how they did that sounded good. I love how they put the quad tips here in the back as well. Kind of wish they made them black, and then black decals here, like black emblems for the Toyota badge, Camry badge, and XE badge. But this car is still pretty sharp. Love the black wing. And the power button to open this trunk is literally right there. You press it to release it. Do have a ton of storage here in the back. I mean, you can put a lot of groceries in the back, a stroller if you have any kids, and then if you need extra room, you just pull these tabs into the folded seats down. Show you guys that. And then right up under here, always check this, we do have a spare tire and jack right up under. Decent amount of trunk space as well. You know what, I didn't even check if we have a grab handle. Did we? Not really. This thing is sharp. All right, let's take a look in the leg room here, see how much room we have in the back. Perfect. I mean, we do have a decent amount of leg room here in the back. Storage on the back seat as well as the passenger. Love this red leather interior. We do have vents in the back. No USB ports here in the back. Do have sunroof. This does not open, just the front. Do have lights in the back. And then here, armrest. The only thing is just really dangly, but it'll be all right. Cup holders here. Take a look at that cockpit. Very nice Toyota. I think I actually closed the seat when I did that. Yeah, I did. There we go. 60/40 split. They also have leaded armrests. Let's take a look at this 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Very quiet for a 4-cylinder. About one of the quietest that I've heard, I'll say that. This takes 0W16 oil. Very impressive Toyota. Do get power adjustments for driver. All right. buckle up here. Do get heated seats for driver and passenger. Do have some storage there. Parking brake, we do not have a foot one anymore. Do have an auto hold button, sport, normal, eco mode. And then this is the shifter for that 8-speed automatic transmission. Wireless charger, USB port, and then we have a 12-volt plug there. Glove compartment box is pretty decent. Touchscreen radio, all your little volume controls. And then we all on this side you have your adaptive cruise control buttons, cruise control settings, windshield wipers, turn signals. And on the back of here, I don't know if you guys can notice, but we have our paddle shifters, light, traction control, power release for your trunk, and then the gas tank opener. And then down here we have your hood release, and then we do have a manual adjustable steering wheel, blind spot indicators and driver and passenger windows, sunroof, and then you also get a sunshade to close that, just in case you just want the sunroof open to visibly see outside of it. Also get a little advancement there. Backup camera. Resolution is okay. Then I wish we had the trajectory lines to show exactly which route you're going. It's fine. Dual climate control. Then we also get the Sport Plus when you shift over. Visual screen here. Digital's in the middle. Then we have your regular on the sides. And also change a little things in there. Miles per hour. Driving support. Bluetooth. Pre-collision system. Blind spot monitor. Rear cross traffic alert. Those are all your little safety features. Alright guys, enough chatting, let's get this on the road. Do have wireless phone charger down there as well. Now I would say, man, Toyota has done an awesome job designing this car. Love everything about this Camry. Drives really well, very comfortable. Interior is on point. The sun is shining bright today. I was gonna film a little bit later, but I don't have available timing later. Also guys, if you just want to see a quiet test drive, all you gotta do is follow the Code for Speed YouTube channel. I am the owner of that channel as well. This 8-speed transmission shifts flawlessly. You know, I don't really have any complaints about the Camry, other than I wish this was like a little bit more of an updated screen from some of its competition that's around. But I mean, for comfortability, drivability, this car is amazing. Like, I mean, it's a nice starter car, price comparable to some of its other competition. But I mean, this car is nice. Love the adaptive cruise control here, as well as the lane keeping system. And Toyotas, they've been around for a very, very long time. Very dependable, very reliable. I mean, I still see like older Toyota Tacomas, Toyota Camrys with like 200 plus miles on them, still driving on the road. That's what Toyota's very, very, really known for, is reliability. I love the leg room up here that I have. My leg can lean against on this shifter here. Other than that, this car is, I mean, you get your speed limit warning sign there. It's not really much. I don't think I even have a blind spot out of this car. I mean, I can see out both side mirrors pretty good. I can see out my rear view mirror pretty good. mean, sound system on this car is pretty decent. The thing I really like too is the gas mileage that you get in this car. I mean, coming close to a hybrid. I mean, on a hybrid you get 10 extra miles, probably like 10 to 12 extra miles on a hybrid. I mean, on the highway you get 38. It's pretty phenomenal for this car. Blind spot indicators work pretty good. Oh, this guy has some stuff falling off the back of this car. Loaded 4-cylinder does put in some work. Love how the auto hold works. Literally just take my foot off the brake and the car is just standing still for me. That's a really nice feature, because I have these I guess you call it like joggers on, and when I have my phone in my pocket, sometimes it slides out and fall beneath my seatbelt, and I reach in the back. I'm like so worried that if I accidentally let my foot off the brake, that I'm gonna run into the back of someone. Yeah guys, my first impressions on this car, it's very nice. This is literally like my first time driving a Toyota Camry, and I'll tell you, this car's very nice. Toyota, you guys did an awesome job designing this car. Actually, go over here. Actually, goes another Camry. Alrighty guys, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I recommend you subscribing, because I'm gonna be dropping a lot more just like this. And again guys, if you want to see a quiet test drive, all you have to do is check the Code for Speed channel. I have a quiet test drive here on the way. And then guys, also check out Sparks Toyota's inventory. This is where this vehicle is located. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Catch you guys on the next video.